Hi, and welcome to Assembly Station. Today, I'll walk you through the quick setup of our asset. First, let's drag the ship model into the hierarchy. Next, we go into the Materials folder, select all the materials, and copy or drag them into the Assembly Station Resources folder. Let's create a dedicated folder for our prefabs materials, and in our case, convert them from built-in to URP. Great! Once that's done, we can start setting up the model. First, we unpack the prefab and detach it from its parent, so we can set the pivot point of the main object. This will be the point where the prefab rests on the ground. Once the exact point is selected, we reattach the parent object and then drag the prefab into the prefab clone folder. Once that's done, just go to the Tools menu at the top and click on Add Name and Description to Prefabs. Then, select the prefab clone folder and wait for the process to finish. Perfect. Now, each part of the prefab has its own image and the necessary component to work properly. Let's select the prefab and look for orbital camera, which will be the point where the camera focuses when the prefab is instantiated. Place it where you think it fits best. Perfect. Now that this is set, we will create a new category and a new button to instantiate our model. In this case, we already have two categories, so let's duplicate one and rename it. Be sure to update the index at the bottom. Switch category. Here we set it to 2. Yes, there are 3 categories, but in programming, we start counting from 0, so the indexes are 0, 1, and 2. Next, go to Content UI and drag the new button into the list as shown in the video. Create a new category called Ship Category and add it to the appropriate list. Now create a new button for the new prefab. Make sure to assign the button to the target category by typing the beginning of the category name, which is Ship. Hide the new button and drag the new prefab into the list, always keeping the order as shown in the video. Don't worry, everything is explained in detail in the documentation. And here we are. Now our prefab is ready to be assembled. Thanks for watching this mini tutorial. See you in part 2, where we'll cover how to properly configure the prefab. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube and join the Discord server. All the links are in the description.